Okay, I'm back. So
Why you today you are so offline from the work?
yeah, I have a lot of work today, but don't worry about this. I already know what is row, what is column. I just want to know, like, like, for example, if I multiply the matrix. So
Yes, yes. Just I'm coming to this point, but just I want to give a brief discussion about the basis of matrix. I'm coming to this.
no, that's all right. I know the row and column. We can go.
Yes, yes, yes. If the number of matrix, the number of column first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second column. So these matrices can be that. Okay, look at what is, first of all, what is a row? The horizontal arrangement of elements in a matrix is called a row. What is horizontal arrangement? Look at this. Horizontal arrangement means this arrangement, these 2 3 are 10 and 1. These are basically the horizontal arrangement in a matrix. So these are called rows of the matrix. Now if someone asks you that, Jenny, please tell me the number of rows in this matrix. So if I see there are two horizontal arrangement of numbers in this matrix, one horizontal arrangement is this one and the second is this one, so it means there are two rows in this matrix. Okay.
So there's two column and two row in this matrix, right?
Yes, yes, yes. And what is column? The vertical arrangement of elements in a matrix is called column. So there are two vertical arrangement of numbers in this matrix. Look, one vertical arrangement is 210 and the other vertical arrangement is 31. So the number of columns in this matrix will also be 2. So if someone asks you, Danny, please tell me what are the number of rows and what are the number of columns for this first matrix. So your answer will be there are two number of rows and two number of
I got it.
columns.
I got it. Row column, please.
Okay. Now look at this matrix. This matrix. How many rows and how many columns are there?
There's one column and two row.
One column and two rows. That's great. That's great. Now come to this point. Order of a matrix. What is mean by order of a matrix? This is very important. The same thing. The number of rows followed by the number of columns in a matrix is called order of a matrix. If someone asks you to tell me what is the number, what is the order of this matrix, let's suppose someone asks you again this matrix, that what is the number. So you have to first tell the number of rows and put a multiplication size in the middle, and then you have to tell the number of column. So if someone asks you what is the number of order of this matrix, so your answer should be 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 means there are two rows and there are two columns. Got it?
Yes.
And for this matrix, if someone asks you what is the order of this matrix, so there are two rows and one column, so the order should be 2 cross 1. 2 cross 1 represent that there are two rows and one column in this matrix.
Yes.
Remember, you have in the order, when someone asks you about the order of a matrix, first you have to tell you about the number of rows and then you have to tell you the number of columns.
Yes.
Now, if you want to multiply two matrices, remember always every two matrices is not necessary that every two matrices is always multiplied with each other. It is not necessary because there is a condition for it. If these two matrices satisfy that condition, so that matrices will be multiplied with each other. But if these two matrices failed to satisfy that condition, then these matrices would not be multiplied with each other. And what is that condition? Look at this. Multiplication of matrix. How two matrices can be multiplied? So here, this is the condition. If the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second, sorry, this is not column, this is matrix. If the number of columns in the first matrix are equal to the number of rows in the second matrix, so these matrices can be multiplied with each other. Otherwise, if this condition fails, these matrices could not be multiplied with each other. This is the condition you have to remember.
Yes.
Okay. Should we proceed to our quiz?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at the first question of your quiz. First question is, you have to calculate, you have to multiply these two matrices. One matrix is of order 2 cross 2 and the second one is of order 2 cross 1. But I have already told you, first we have to apply the condition of multiplication, whether these two matrices fulfill that condition or not. If these two matrices doesn't fulfill that condition, so these two matrices cannot be multiplied. But if these two conditions satisfied that condition, so they can be multiplied. Now I have told you what is the condition. We will check the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix. If these become equal, so these two matrices can be multiplied. Now, what are the number of columns in this matrix? What are the number of columns?
This one, the number of column is 2.
2. And the number of rows in this matrix?
Is 2.
2. So it means number of columns are equal to number of rows. So these can be multiplied with each other. Got it?
Yes.
Jenny, if you have any question in your mind, please feel free to ask me. Okay?
No, I'm good. I understand.
Okay. Okay. Now look at this question. How two matrices can be multiplied? There is a specific method for that. Let me zoom it. This is question number 1. This is also a matrix. How we can multiply two matrices with each other? We can multiply two matrices in the upward horizontal position like this. In the left topmost corner, this one, you have to multiply here first row with first column. In the uppermost right corner, we have to multiply first row with second column. Here the row will not change, row will same. Look at here, here is the number, here is the first row, here is the first row, but the column will change. Here the first column will multiply and here the second column will be multiplied. And in the left downward corner, we have to multiply second row with the first column, and in the down right corner, we have to multiply second row with second column. This is the formula basically for the multiplication of two matrices.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
If you have any problem, please ask me. Okay, if you didn't get a point, if you don't get a point, if you are confused about a point, feel free. I will solve you it online for you in the MS Word, so you will understand.
Yeah, I understand. I understand this.
Okay. Now, these are our two matrices in question number first. What will we do? But here this is a 2 cross 2 matrix and this is a 2 cross 1 matrix. There is not another column. This is a single column matrix. So we will multiply this row with this column first in the upward position, and then we will multiply this row with this column in the downward position. So multiply first element of the row with first element of the column plus second element of the row with second element of the column. You have to put a plus sign between them. Okay?
Yes.
Now look at this matrix. This will become 2 multiplied by 0. So I have multiplied here 2 multiplied by 0. I put a plus sign in the middle. Then we will multiply 3 with the 1 because 3 is the second element of the row and 1 is the second element of the column. So we will multiply these with this. So this will become 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 1. Okay?
Yes.
Now we will multiply this second row with this column. So first element with first element and second element with second. So this will become 10 multiplied by 0. So 10 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1. So this will become 2 zeros are 0 plus 3 plus, sorry, this is not addition, this is multiplication sign, but I made a mistake here. This is multiplication symbol. Okay, this one. So this will become 3 ones are 3. So 0 plus 3. This will become 10 zeros are 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 0 plus 3, 3. And 0 plus 1, 1. This is your answer and this is your correct option here. 3 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
Shall we proceed?
Yes. Let me try question number 2.
Yes, you should try this one. This is exactly the same as question 1. Please share your screen with me and
Okay.
solve it online.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just a moment. Let me open the.
Okay. I am disabling my screen. You should.
Quiz number 8, right?
You are seeing my screen or not?
No, I still see your screen, but I'll quit it anyway.
Are you seeing my screen?
Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, let me try the next question. Okay, question number 2 by thinking 5.
Yes. The same method. Just I have started with the question. Bilkul same method.
Okay, calculate 7, 6. Okay, so this.
Open a white page and solve on that. Either paint. Open the paint.
Sorry, that's all right. I can do this annotation. Then I'll write this on the screen.
Okay, right.
So first we need to check on the size.
I think you have fever.
Huh? No, we first need to check on the size of the matrix. So there is two columns.
Yes, you have to first check the condition of multiplication.
Okay. So this is two column and 2 rows. So it fits. So we can multiply it. So this one would be 7. Oh wait. But then. Okay, hang on. So the upper one we have. Give me a minute. The upper one. Oh, okay. So 7 times 5 plus 6 times 7. This is it correct?
Yes.
So
solve it.
Times 5 plus 6 minus 6 times 6 and 12 times 5 plus 8 times 6. Okay.
Minus 6.
Oh, that's right. So the result, okay, I got it. So let me try question number 3. What is the transformation of, let me erase this. What is the transformation matrix of the rotation by 90 degrees anti-clockwise? So if I have a matrix and I rotate it 90 degrees and now I want to reverse it back, right? So, let me try this. I think I understand this. So basically, well, I'm not sure I know this, but I can try. So basically, you get this element and the 90 degree, you would get it to here, right? So it will be like this, would be 90 degree, right? So here, so 0.0. Oh, okay, so it could be, well, how do you know what is the original one? Hello?
Huh?
So in this question, how do you know which is the original one? I don't understand this question.
Disable your screen. I am sharing my question with you. You will see
Okay.
how I solve it.
Okay.
Got it? My screen night.
No, it's still not appearing. I'm still waiting for your share screen.
That's my screen. Check it.
Yes.
I have just take 2 points on x and y axis. One point is 1, 0, and another point is 0, 1. Now, what I will do, and remember always one thing, remember on x-axis, on the whole axis from here to here, the value of I will always be equal to 0. And on y-axis from here to here, the value of x will always be equal to 0. Now look here, I take this point here, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 0. And I take this point here, the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 1. Now what I will do, I will rotate this point in the opposite direction of clock. That's we called it anti-clock direction by 90 degree. So I will move this point I will move this frame from this location to this location. Just wait a minute. From this to this location, and this point will be moved from here to here. Now, from the original points, look at the question. From the original points, we can form the matrix. One point is this and one point is this. Here the value of x is 1 and here the value of x is 0. So here one x is 1 and the other value of x is 0. Here the value of y.
Sorry, I'm a little bit confused. So how do you know which one is the original one? Because the question doesn't give us the original matrix.
You can also take this point. If you can take this point and rotate it here, the same matrix will be formed. This matrix will be formed. Again, this will be formed. No problem. You can take any 2 points here. You can take, I have just take, for your simplicity, I take these 2 points. You can take this point and this point. Again, the same, this matrix will be formed. No other matrix will be formed. Again, this matrix will be formed.
I'm not really understand yet. Can you explain?
Okay, wait. Yes, I am explaining you. Wait a minute. I have take this point 1, 0. Okay. Are you getting me? Here the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 0.
Yeah, I don't understand like how you can form the matrix without the original, because the original question didn't give you the matrix. So how do you form it?
Yes, that's why I am telling you. Just wait a minute. I am coming to that point. That we haven't given any source point and we have found the answer. Just wait a minute. I am telling you. I have taken this point and I have taken this point. Okay. So what will be our matrix from these 2 points? This matrix will be formed from our this point will become 1, 0. So I will write this form in vertical position. So I have written here 1 and 0. And this is a 0, 1. So I have also written in it in the vertical position. So I written this 0 and 1. Now, what we'll do, we will do now when we rotate the point by 90 degrees. So our new matrix, what I will do, I will change the position of this point from this axis to y axis, and I will change the position of this point from y axis to negative x axis. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm still don't understand. Like okay, so for example, if you don't give the original matrix, then you are rotating 90 degrees, then you got the answer. But then if I only got the answer, then how do I know what is the origin of plane.
You can take any point. You can take points on any axis. You can take one point here and one point here and rotate it in the anti-clockwise direction from here to here. You can choose any points on this XY plane, and then you can rotate it, so you will be obtain the same matrix, this transformation, because this is the constant matrix. It can't be changed.
Yes, that's what I meant. Like any of the below four matrix that always can be turned 90 degrees. So without knowing the origin of form, how do you know which one is the answer?
You have I am telling you, you have to select 2 points on the XY plane. You have to select 2 points, but you will always be select. And the question, just come to the question, just wait a minute. I am telling you what. In the question, they have given you the matrix which contain 1 and 0.
No, which one?
Okay.
Well, they doesn't give me the matrix that contains.
No, I am telling you about the answer. In the answer, you have the matrices which contain only 1 and 0. Okay. So, hello.
Yes.
Give me feedback. I am telling you, I am coming to your point that how you will give what is my origin. But give me answer, give me feedback. In the answer, you are clearly seeing that you have given the option which contain only 1 and 0. Hello?
No, I'm reading. I still don't understand. Like, how do you know they're giving me the matrix of 1 and 0?
I am just telling you, you give me feedback. Just you clearly in the answer, you are seeing that you have only given matrices which contain 2 numbers, 0 and 1.
No, there's minus 0.
Okay. I am not telling you that it is your origin. I am saying you these are your answers.
Okay.
These are your answers. You will take those points on the XY plane. You should not go beyond 1 and 0 on the point. You should select only 2 points. 1 point will be X and the other point will be 1.
Okay, I see.
Yes, I am telling you that you shouldn't go beyond 1, because in the answers they are asking you that what will be the transformation if they have given you 1 2 in the matrices 1 2 1 2 1 2. So then you have to select 2 points on the XY plane. 1 point will be 1 and the other will be 2. But here they have given you 0 and 1. So you have to select 0 and 1 on the XY plane, and you should not go beyond 1.
Yes, I understand now. Okay.
That's why I'm telling you.
Okay, so from this looking at, we can guess that is the original form is 1 and 0.
Now you should open your, you should share your screen with me. Now you will solve this question in another method. You will take 2 points. One of your point will be 0 1. Okay. Hello?
Yes, I'm good.
One of your point will be 0 1 and another point will be minus 1 0. And you will transform this matrix into 90 degree anti-clockwise. So you will solve now.
Yes.
Solve it.
Oh, okay. I'll solve it now. Oh, but then hang on. If it's 0 1, then the rotate 90 degree. Hang on, let me look at your picture first. Oh, okay, I see now. Okay, let me.
Diego.
Yes.
Clearly seeing I have selected this point, so their transformation become this one. Now you will select this matrix, their transformation will become another matrix.
Yes, I see now. Oh, okay, I understand what you meant now. So if we have this, and this point is
0 1.
0 1, and this point is 1 0.
Yes.
So if this point rotate 90 degrees, then it will be here. Then it will be
minus 1 0.
0. And this point will go here.
Become 0 1.
Okay. 0 1. Oh, then the answer should be this one, right?
No. You have written this wrong. Your point are clearly, but this is x, so you should write x in the x position 1, and this 0 and the minus 1 is in the x position, 0 will be in the y position. You should write it in the vertical position.
Oh, I don't understand. So, oh, okay, because this one is on here, so because this one become vertical, so I should take this one.
Yes, yes, yes,
Ah.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so it's 0, okay.
No, again you are wrong.
Oh, these
Minus
are
1.
vertical.
No, these are not vertical. Minus 1 and 0 in the horizontal position will become vertical.
I don't understand, sorry.
I am, don't worry. We will not go forward until I understand this question to you. Don't worry. Just give me a minute.
Okay.
I am taking a cup of tea, but time.
Okay.
Yes, you should made it clearly. I understanding it.
Okay.
Write the points.
Okay. So this is 0, 1. This is 1, 0. Let me have
A moment to see. So this one, I go to here. So it become x. So the x matrix is minus 1, 0. And this one.
Yes. 0, 1.
0, 1 again.
Now remember one point. Write one point. The first element in this ordered pair is representing x.
No, this one is 1, 0.
Now 1, 0, 0, 1.
Because this one, then this one
No.
must 0, 1.
Remember, we have only changed the position. We have not changed the coordinates value.
Okay, this point here is 1, 0, right? And this point here is 0, 1. So if this point go here,
so the point, 1. So the position of this point will become 0, 1.
Yes, 0, 1.
Yes.
And this point here will be minus 1.
And 0.
Okay, 0. Okay, so
now remember the first number represent the x and the second number represent the y.
Okay, let me write it down. So this is x, this is y.
And this is y.
Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay.
Now form a matrix from this.
So
give it x1, x2, x.
So the matrix is row times column. So this is the x1, x2 is row and e1, e2 is column. So x is
both x's will be in the row and both y will be in the columns. No, again you are wrong.
No. Oh, the row. Okay. Okay. 0 minus 1. Okay, I see.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So the y is 1, 0. Okay.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Yes, I got it now. Okay.
Thanks God.
I'm so glad that we don't start the whole session with just
no problem. I will not go forward until I understand you each and every question.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
So let's go for this. Complete the calculation before the lecture. Okay, given.
Multiply these two lectures, A1.A2, multiply it. Same method.
Okay, let me try. So
I have also written you the formula.
So this is 2 times 2. Okay, so it's multipliable.
And today I will give you a homework. Okay, you have to do a homework question. But you have to submit it in written form to me.
Okay, let me. So this one.
First row multiply by first column in the uppermost left corner. First row multiply by first column. Yes, you are right. Yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay.
No. Then first row multiply by second column.
Oh. No, this is the second row, right? Then
Second, no, you have to first multiply the first row with both columns. Can I share formula with you?
okay, please share.
This is formula. First row multiply by first column, then again first row multiply by second column. You have to first multiply the first row with both columns. Firstly with first column and then with second column.
Oh, okay.
And then second row with first column and again second row with second column.
Oh, okay. I see now. Okay, let me let me write down the formula for this one and the first one because I'm
First note this formula with yourself. Note this formula with yourself.
hang on. Let me copy your screen now so that I can
Okay, copy it.
minutes.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes. Please keep it still so I can copy it now. I can take a picture of it. Yeah, I don't know why the tool doesn't work. Give me a minute. Let me figure out why the tool doesn't work. So the one that sorry, can you go back to the screen so I can look at the formula? So this one is when you have two pi one matrix. Oh, let me take the whole thing. Okay. So this one. Okay, so this one is first row. Okay, I understand now. Can you show me the second formula?
This is the formula.
Oh, but the other question, is it the same formula?
Which one?
Let me see. Hang on. Let me share a screen. So is it the first question? Oh yes, this is the first question. So how about the formula for the number 4? Is this use the same calculation? Hello?
No, this formula for all the matrix to be multiplied. This is not for the first question. Hello.
Yes. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello. G.
Yes, I can hear you.
This formula is for all type of question, not for question 1. This is common formula.
Oh, okay. Let me try it again then. Let me share screen and use this question. Okay, so this one, first row, first column.
First row with first column, then first row. Okay, let me try again. This one. So first row here with first column. Yes, right. So this with this second row, the second column. So this. So it would be 0, 0 times 1 and no, there's no plus, right? Let me see.
G, solve or not?
First row with the second column. So it would be first row.
No, you only multiply one element.
Yeah, no, right? Because your formula is first row with first column.
First row multiply by first column and then first row multiply by second column.
Yeah, this is exactly what I do.
Okay, and put a plus sign here
In
in the middle.
In here?
Yes.
Okay. So
Come here in the rightmost corner, top right mode. First row with second column. No. You are wrong again.
where should I?
Wrong way. You
Because
are doing it in the wrong way.
so this is the first row, 0.
You should multiply the first row. You should multiply first row with first column, but you have to multiply the first element multiply by first element plus second element multiply by second element.
Yeah.
Then in
So,
the right topmost corner, you have to multiply the first row again with the second column. So the first element of the first row with the first element of the second column plus the second element of the first row with the second element of the second column.
I'm not sure I understand. So in this formula, so first row with first column. So first row here is first row
0, 1.
Yeah, 0 and 1.
And first column is 1,
So
0.
is 1, 0. So you take
So multiply first element with first and second with second and put a plus sign between in the middle.
Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay, I see. I see now. So so it would be 0 times 1 plus 1
1 times 1 times
1
0.
times 0. Yes. Okay, so this will be the first element. The second.
Yeah, the first element.
Okay. So the second element.
No, the second element will be formed from first row multiplied by second column.
Let me see the formula again. First, okay, I see. Okay, I got it now. So the second column would be first row still with the second column. So it is
Second column is 1, 1.
0 times 1 plus 1.
1 times 1. Yeah, you are right now. You are going now in the right direction.
So I think I got it. So first row with second row with first column and second row with second column.
Yes. Now you are going in the right direction.
Okay. So second row with first column. Second row with first column. So the second row with 0, 10, 1 plus 0 times 1, right? So this is 0 times 1 plus
Yes, you are right.
0. So this is basically equals 0.
0, yes.
So 0 times minus 0 times 0 will be minus 0, minus 1.
Yes, minus 1.
So this is 1. This is 0.
Yes. No 0.
Why?
No 0. No, 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 no. You have made a mistake again here.
Here.
This will my second row with second column. Second row with second column. Again, do it. You have made a mistake here.
Second row is here, second column is 1, so 0 times 1 is, yeah.
Look at here. Second row is minus 1, 0, and second column is 1, 1. So minus 1 multiplied by 1, this will become minus 1. And 0 times 1 will become 0, so this will become minus 1.
So this, hang on, this is second row times second column. Ah, okay, yes, you're right. So second row times second column would be minus 1. Ah, okay. Yes, you're right. I did make a mistake. So this one will be second row times second column. Ah, okay, then 0 times 1. Yes. Okay, okay, I got this. So let's do the last question.
Okay, disable your screen so that, yes.
Oh no, let me try it first. Question number 5, use elimination and back substitution to solve. Oh, so we need to use ABC, right?
Yes, yes. The way, first of all, you have to calculate value of C, then value of B, then you have to put the value of B and C. It's very simple, very simple.
Yeah, I don't understand how to do
it. Try it.
Oh, okay. So
okay, okay. Let me share my screen with you so you can get an idea from that. Then you will try it.
Okay.
Just let me. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Ya Allah. The same method. You have to multiply this matrix. This is a matrix of 3 cross 3 order. Here are 3 rows and 3 columns. This is a matrix of 3 cross 1, 3 rows and 1 column. First of all, we have to check the condition of multiplication, whether this matrix can be multiplied with this matrix or not. So here the number of column 1, 2, 3, and the number of rows in the second matrix 1, 2, 3, both are equal, so these can be multiplied with each other. Okay, now multiply first row with this column, then multiply second row with this column, and then multiply third row with this column respectively. So this first element multiply with first, so 1 times A plus 1 times B plus 2 times C. And then second row, so 0 times A, 0 times A plus 1 times B, so 1 times B plus 0 times C, 0 times C. Then third row with this column, so 0 times A, 0 times A plus 0 times B, 0 times B plus 1 times C, so 1 times C and is equal to 1, 1 and 1. Now 1 multiplied by A, 1, A multiplied by 1, this will become 1, this will become B, this will become 2C, this will become 0, this will become B, this will also become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, and this will become C, and this is equal to 1, 1 and 1. Now look at here. From the above matrix, consider R3. From this matrix, we will only consider this row 3. This row 3. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Is there any problem?
Can you go up a little bit so I can see the formula, please? Okay, yes.
I didn't apply any formula. I just multiplied these two matrices with each other. I haven't applied any formula, any specific formula. I just multiply it.
Yes, I understand.
Now, if from this matrix, only consider this row 3, 0 plus 0 plus C is equal to 1. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This 0, 0 will be eliminated, only C will be remaining, and this is equal to 1. So C is equal to 1. It means the value of C is equal to 1.
Oh, wait. So the first one, A plus B plus 2C is equal to 1. So,
Yes.
oh, okay. So all the zero is eliminated. So we have like B equal to.
Because 0, 0 is no value. You when which thing you added with 0 again will give you that thing. For example, you add 2 with 0, your answer will be 2. You add 1 leg with 0, your answer will be 1 leg, because 0 has no effect.
Hang on. Let me have a moment to read your answer. I'm still not getting it.
Okay.
A plus B plus 2C is equal to 1. Oh. Okay, hang on. A plus B. A plus. Consider R3. What is R3?
Which is 3?
Oh, okay. So the second one is B equal to 1, and the third one is C equal to 1. Okay.
Yes, exactly,
So,
exactly.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you just replace. So this value, 1 and 2, 1 and C, and then you just replace the value to get A.
Yes, I have then pick up the row 1, A plus B plus 2C is equal to 1, and I then simply put the value of B and the value of C to find the value of A. And from this, I have
Okay.
calculated the value of A minus 2. So this is your answer, minus 2. B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. And look at your question. Where is your this question? I think this one. Yes, minus 2, 1, 1, and 1.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I
Minus 2, 1, 1, and 1.
yes, I understand now.
Should we proceed?
Oh, I think it's time for you now. Do we still have time to go to another question?
Yes, we are going to another question. That's why I'm asking you, should we proceed?
Okay, sure.
Question number 6.
Oh, I
Okay.
think this is a long question. I'm not sure if I have enough.
No. It's a very short question.
Okay, please go.
It looks like from the description, it is a long question, but it is not a long question. It is very interesting question for you. Very interesting question.
Okay.
Now, first of all, understand the question. What are they demanding from us in the question? For the matrix A, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, calculate the new matrix A dash. From this matrix, we have to form another matrix whose name is A dash. Now, what will be there in the matrix? In the new matrix, which has the same entries is A. It is clear now that this number will also be appear in the new matrix A dash. However, but there will be a little bit change in the new matrix. What will be these changes? However, the second row of A dash is the second row of A minus the first row of A, which means the first row of the new matrix will be the same as the matrix A. But how we can form the second row of the A dash matrix? This will be formed. We will subtract the second row of this matrix. The second row of this matrix minus we will subtract the first row from this second row. So we will obtain the second row for the new matrix. And for the third row, what will we do? And the third row of A dash is the third row of A minus the first row of A. For the third row of the new matrix, we will subtract this first row from the third row. So
I don't understand. So how do you get?
Okay, just look at the question. Just look at the answer. You will understand now. This is very easy question. Look at here. This is very short.
Mm-hmm.
Now look at, this is A matrix. This is the original matrix. Okay. And this is what the matrix we will form A dash. A dash, there will be also 3 rows and 3 columns, and the same number, this number will appear in the new matrix as well. Okay.
Yes.
The first matrix of this new matrix will be the same as this matrix. So I have written that R1 row 1 is same. Row 1 is same means row 1 will this 1, 1 and 3. This row we will copy this row from here and we'll paste here. So we will don't change this row. Okay.
Yes.
Now, how the second row will be formed? The second row will be formed. We will subtract row 1 from row 2, and we will paste the answer here. And how we will form row 3? That is also easy. We will subtract row 1 from row 3, and we will paste the answer here. So now look at here. This is the row 2 of this matrix. 1, 2, 4. This is the row 2. Okay.
I have question. So this is the form. This is what the question were given, right?
Yes, this is what the question asks you. You have just to put the value here. Simple, put the values here.
Okay, so let me try it at home. Now I understand what to ask now. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, Chairman.
No, wait a little. I think we should conclude it. We have only 1 or 2 questions remaining, and that is very short.
No. I think let's save it for tomorrow. It's okay. We no need to rush. So
okay, we will start tomorrow from question number 7.
Yes, number 6.
And okay, number 6. Sorry, number 6. And remember, I want to give you homework. This question, you will solve this question. And you have to present me it in the paper form. Either you solve it today or tomorrow, but you have to submit it to me. And you will take not these points. You will take one this point and one this point, and then you have to rotate it by 90 to here.
Okay, sure. I'll try that. So we get the new point, and then we rotate.
Yes, but you have to take in 2 points. Remember, the first point will be this one 0, 1. And the second point will be -1, 0. And then you have to rotate these points from here to here by 90 angle. And then you will show me the answer that how you will solve, because it is very important for you to know that.
Yes, I agree. I'll do it.
Okay, and you will present this me in a written form, not in that form. You have to present me this in a written form.
Okay, sure. I'll try that. Okay, see you tomorrow, Chairman. Bye-bye.
Okay.